I'm going to get right to the point. So, the last couple of days, I had been struggling with this thought and had been meaning to get it out and have been delayed and have started it and stopped it and it didn't leave my thought process. And in service this morning, um, the pastor was speaking on just that very thing that I have been belaboring. And the thought was, how many times have we started something? How many times have we wanted to lose weight, save money, buy that house, buy that car, start a new job, start a new adventure. And when we made that decision to actually to do it, we were like, yes. And then like 2 days later, we sort of got satisfied with the thought of doing it, but didn't actually go further to actually do it. The commitment was to make the decision, but the harder part was actually following through on it. How many times have we done that? How many times have we set ourselves up for failure? And that's exactly what we did. We got comfortable in the thought of doing it or starting that adventure, but the follow through just wasn't there. Anyway, I'm stopping that process. I've got a lot of things that I have committed myself to do that I know that I'm supposed to be doing. And I got comfortable in the thought of, yep, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I need to do. Like just going to the gym. Like, you need to be at the gym. Making that decision at night to go in the morning. I was like, okay, great, I'm going. The morning comes and it's like, yeah, maybe I'll go in the afternoon. And then the afternoon comes and goes. And then you're like, I'll go tomorrow. The commitment to follow through is just not there. But I think the challenge is getting beyond the hard part, because the hard part is making a decision. The harder part, the hardest part, the more hard, I don't know, that other part, that's the struggle. It's the committing to do that. What is the solution? Do it. Just do it. Follow through. Commit to it. Pastor Walker talked about today the scripture that he alluded to. One of the scriptures he alluded to was, do not despise the small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin. Okay, we haven't even started. We chose to do it, but we didn't start to do it. We committed to do it, but didn't start the do. What is the challenge here? I guess the challenge is commitment. Don't get stuck at making decision. It's the follow through that we have the problem with. So I challenge you to follow through. Follow through. And I challenge you as I challenge myself. I've committed to a couple of things, and I need to follow through with them. And I'm going to follow through with them. And I'm going to take you along with me. With that being said, God bless. Follow through. And have yourself a good one.